Good Diligent, or Diligent AI, as we call it internally, what we do is we help fintechs to automate their back office operation. So we're looking at a lot of manual operations that has been widely manual for almost a decade, that now we have an opportunity to automate them. So running due diligences for customers, do certain investigations. These things, we're building agentic workflows to automate them. I said, okay, should I buy or build? And that was a bit tricky because we might use it excessively. So if I buy it fully, it may put my microeconomics in jeopardy. But at the same time, I cannot just build it, because knowing how scraping could be is a lot of management around it. It's like, okay, let's try to find the best of both worlds. There must be open source frameworks out there that does this really well. And I've researched a bunch of them, and I end up finding Crowley. I was like, oh, okay, these guys like almost manage everything you can think about it. Manage about how to optimize cost on proxies, how to speed up, slow down scrapers, a lot of things that comes with a lot of experience, a lot of struggle that I don't have to build. So I plug it in, within days, I got something up and running. We had our own scraper for Facebook, reviews primarily. It was so hard to maintain, I was hardly getting to 80%. That I switched to the one from Apify, it was just always working, no problem. And it was getting even more reviews than we used to get from our own. Building Facebook, or I think any like a social media scraper, is just painful. It's extremely painful. It's extremely complicated, and realize that you're gonna spend, maybe you maintain this forever, and that's not even part of your product. And why do I need to do that? While Apify on the other side, the cost is so good that you cannot justify not using it. There's no way. I don't see a situation where you should not use social media scrapers from Apify, given the cost and quality. So I would say if they have online interaction in terms of finding data, they probably should consider Apify for multiple reasons. One is it's Y Combinator startup. We have a great kind of get started discount. It makes things easier. The platform is very easy, self-service, and you have a bunch of things that you probably need together. So I've learned that now you're trying to scrape that website, but in reality, you probably need also proxies, and maybe you need to scrape that social media, and maybe you need to extract data. So I think it's good I would recommend them Apify because it has the things that you need now and in the future, and it will just be hassle-free in that sense. And I would definitely recommend Apify. Yeah.